Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your account for WhatsApp. So if this sounds helpful, then watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notifications to never miss a video from us. So the first thing you need to do is download the application of WhatsApp on your mobile device. After the app has been downloaded, you can tap open the app and then from here tap on agree and continue. Next you need to select your country code and then enter in your mobile number. And then after you're done you can hit next. Now after you enter the mobile number, a 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. You need to enter the code in order to be able to sign up. And just like that, you have been signed up for WhatsApp. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and we'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.